Happy Mother's Day, Mommy!
Mother's Day, Mommy. Thank you for being a great one and 1 month baby. Nana, thank you for working hard for me. I miss your old face. Can you not be out there anymore? And happy birthday.
Nay, thank you po sa pag-aalaga po sa akin, sa pagluluto po sa akin. Thank you po sa paglaki po sa akin na mabuti. Happy Mother's Day po. I love you.
Hi Ma! Happy Mother's Day sa'yo Ma. And ayun, sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to. Huwag ka magpapaka-stress kahit sino man yan. And palagi mo lang tandaan na nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. And mahal na mahal kita Ma. Love you. Miss you.
Hi, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. I love you very much. God bless and be beautiful always.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. Salamat sa lahat ng pinili mo sa akin. Marilit mong ingat ka palagi sa work. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. Stay healthy and pretty.
Happy Mother's Day, Mame. Thank you for everything. I love you very much and God bless.
Hi, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. I love you so much.